Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make wonton men. Wonton men is ramen noodles with wonton. I simplify the soup as much as I could so that it's easy for you to replicate. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this wonton men, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. Japanese leek, wonton wrapper, there are 30. 4 servings of ramen noodles. For the soup, 4 teaspoons each of soy sauce, sake and Chinese soup stock. And this is a Chinese soup stock I'm using today. For the wonton filling, 200 grams of ground pork, 2 teaspoons each of soy sauce, sake and sesame oil, little bit of ginger and some salt and pepper. At first, I'm going to cut the Japanese leek. I'm going to use this 1/3 at the bottom for wonton filling, 1/3 in the middle for the topping, and 1/3 at the top to flavor the soup. So let's cut it here and put this green part in the pot. And this for the topping, so let's slice it thinly. In a small bowl and set aside. And this bottom part is for wonton filling, so let's mince it. Make some slit here. And slice. And this goes into the bowl of ground pork. Now, let's make the soup. In this pot, with the top part of Japanese leek, put 4 cups of water, four teaspoons of soy sauce, 4 teaspoons of sake, and 4 teaspoons of Chinese soup stock. And just bring it to boil. After it comes to boil, keep cooking for 1 minute to cook off the alcohol and sake, kill the heat, remove the Japanese leek, and the soup is ready. Let's make the wonton filling. So I have ground pork and minced leek in this bowl here. Let's grate the ginger. Put 2 teaspoons each of soy sauce, sake, and sesame oil, and knead this well. Like this. Wonton wrapper on your hand, and about a teaspoon of filling in the middle. Using some water, wet the edge. And bring this corner to this corner. Like this. So it's still open on both sides. Then push the bottom in and press. Same for the other side. Press the bottom in and press. Let me show you one more time. Wrapper on your hand, and about a teaspoon of filling in the middle. Wet the edge, corner to corner. Push the bottom in and press. Push the bottom in and press. Now I'm cooking the wonton in the soup. So bring the soup back to boil. And let's put the wonton. And cook it for about 5 minutes as you gently stir. The soup is ready, so let's cook the noodles. Prepare plenty of boiling water and just cook the ramen noodles by following the instruction on the package. Drain the noodles. In the serving bowl. Wonton and the soup. Sliced leek. Boiled egg if you like. And wonton men is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Let's have some soup first. So flavorful. Wonton. And the noodles. Everything is so good. I hope you like it too. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 to 2 side dishes. Wonton men is noodles, but it's carbs, so it goes here. Wonton and egg are enough protein, so let's pass the main. Wonton men is a soupy dish, so nothing here too. Anything you like for the side dishes, but how about vegetable with miso mayo dipping sauce for one of them, and some sort of pickles, either off the shelf or homemade for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.